What's going on, everybody? My name's Chris. I got a new StitchFix box. So let me go ahead and open it. Done. What you didn't see was that I forgot to hit the record button. I already been through three of the items, and then the screen cut off, which made me think the battery died, but lo and behold, I never even pushed the record button. So I've already opened the box. This is my second time through. I got this pair of shoes. Now, what I had asked for last time, I had made a request in the app. I had mentioned that I was going to Florida this month, and maybe some items for warmer weather would work, like some t-shirts and some shorts or something like that. So we're seeing how that turned out, how the suggestion system works. So this should be just shorts and shirts, and it looks like I got a pair of shoes, which I just showed you. These are red New Balance. Let's see, where's the price breakdown sheet? All right, so these red shoes I mentioned earlier that you didn't hear, $65. If I keep them, one item, that'd be $45. They'll take $20 off. I don't have any maroon shoes. I've never owned New Balance shoes before, so these aren't bad. I like them. So we'll just have to see. Now I do have the price breakdown sheet here, which I will show you on the screen. It's even cheaper than the last box, which was cheaper than the first box, so that's not too shabby, although I don't plan on keeping the entire box because it's a little too expensive for my taste. And they did send the style sheet or style guide. It tells you how to kind of mix and match everything, or give suggestions at least. And I forgot that I did get a note from my stylist. She wishes me a happy anniversary. If you don't know, I don't remember if I mentioned it in this recording or the last recording, but I'm going to Florida this month to celebrate 15-year anniversary with my wife without the 4 kids. So it's just going to be me and her. So I'm looking forward to that. So she wishes me a happy anniversary because I had mentioned that in my suggestion. She wishes me a safe travels and to keep my thoughts coming on my style, I guess. So the shoes, New Balance shoes, not too shabby. First thing that came out of the box was a gray and white striped 01 Algo brand shirt. I guess this would be something that I could wear to like dinner or somewhere like that. I don't mind it. It's stretchy. It feels real soft. I like the way it feels. It feels like it'd be comfortable. The price on this one would be $39, or minus 20, it'd be $19 if I keep this one item, which is not too bad. So 01 Algo. It's got a single button, looks like. Oh, okay. It's got one button at the top, and it's got 2 more that are hidden. So it looked kind of weird at first. Second thing I opened was this blue teal shirt. It says 01 Algo or 01 Algo for the brand, but it doesn't say that on the sheet. It says Eventide. And this will be $29. Or if I keep just this one item, $9 if I kept this one item. So we'll see about that. And then I have a couple of pair of Ezekiel brand shorts. So these are, they have a plaidish look to them. The Vander striped short, these would be $54. That's the price written there. And I have another pair of similar shorts, same brand, almost the exact same style, maybe a slightly different style, but they are by the same brand and they are gray colored, and these are $49. So they call these a plaid short. The other one's a striped short, these are plaid shorts. So I just have to decide what I'm gonna keep. If I keep anything, I could possibly do without the shorts, because I do have shorts that I've had for 2 or 3 years now that I still wear. This shirt would be $9 if I kept it. Seems like a really good deal. And it's very comfortable. The blue shirt, so like I said, it's stretchy, feels really good. Extra large, which is my size. So I guess with the shoes would go with some shorts. And it might be too much red, maybe. So we'll just have to see. What does she say? She says I can match the shoes up with the gray shorts. So with the red shorts, I would wear some kind of gray shoes or something like that. So anyway. All right, so I tried everything on, and I think at the end I'm gonna end up keeping the shoes because I need a good pair of like shoes I can walk around in. I do have a pair of old Reeboks. They're not as comfortable as these. These are way more comfortable. And I'm gonna keep this blue shirt just because I need t-shirts. not necessarily graphic tees, just regular t-shirts. So I need those. The shorts, I've already got like 3 pairs of gray shorts. So it's not necessary that I have another pair. The ones that I mentioned earlier that I've had for a while, I still wear, still fit just fine. So this shirt, the collared shirt, I'm not going to keep it. It's like exactly the right length right now. And I have a feeling that when I wash it, it's going to end up shrinking and then it'll be way too short and I'm not going to want to wear it. So I'm going to pass on the shirt. And then I'm also going to pass on the maroon colored shorts. I just don't think I would end up wearing these as much just with the red color. I mean, they fit okay, I guess. Maybe a little bit slightly too long for my taste. That's what I've decided on. So that's about it. Thank you for watching and appreciate you checking it out. Don't forget to hit subscribe and check out our other videos. See you next time. Bye.